by default, Ableton Live gives you, I think, 2 sends and returns, 2 send tracks that are reverb and delay. As you see, I have a lot of return tracks over here, several reverbs, several delays, different kinds of delays, whether it's a slap delay or a ping pong delay. So what that does, so this is Sean Smith's verse. I'll just play a piece of it, and we're going to experiment with some sends. We're going to send it to some reverb.
Weigh it up, break it down. Rap really like the trap to me. Every day I'm on it, I don't play around. Fall back, great week, 2 twins, straight freeze. Unzip, then I separate these open lips like a bait fleece. I'ma talk like it is, nigga, I ain't never ever gotta swallow truth. Only post with the real ones, yeah, never see me with a coward truth. Stacey Adams got an Instagram, y'all whole niggas better follow suit. We ain't booking no event space.
So it's sending to this return track, and I can send as many tracks as I want to that return track. So if I have, let's say, 10 people singing on a track, I don't need 10 reverbs. I can put all of those vocals to one single reverb, and that way it's kind of reverbing as the same space. I don't need to make 10 adjustments. I don't need to use up all of your extra, your computer's CPU while you're doing that. Let me see. This, I'm just using a Manny reverb. I've been experimenting a lot with reverbs lately. I just got the UAD Apollo, and I've been really enjoying the Lexicon reverb. I think it sounds really nice, really lush. Okay. Same thing with delays. So you can automate some, let me see. What do I have delayed? So the chorus here is delayed.
They really be hating us.
So I'm automating this delay send here. All right, I have it set up as a separate lane. It's just delaying at certain spots. It's just sending at certain spots. The way that you would get to that is by, so if I know I'm sending it to, where is this? So this is C delay. So if I know I want to send it to C, you would go to the track you want. You would click over here on the return track that you want to send it to. See how the name changes right here. And this line shows up, this dotted line if nothing's automated, and it's a solid line if something is automated on that line. So you would click that line. You can always add the plus button, really add the plus button, always add it to a new lane. That way you can really keep organized. You can see where all of your automations are. Because again, you can always hide it by clicking the A key. Okay, so I don't need that. I'm sending to the delay here. And then the delay is also being sent to the reverb, back to that B reverb that I have it on. You can just right click, enable send, and then that lets you turn it up or down. If I increase the size of this, it'll show the same kind of more pan pots like you're used to with the normal tracks. These are just kind of minimized just to save some space. So even your return tracks can send. Okay, what else? Live automations.